day everyone. Once
WhatsApp
again,
number
Coach Sam is here. Welcome po sa Sam FX Trading Academy.
091747866569.
January 28, 2026. We are on the last week of the month of January. Ngayong araw na to, bibigyan ko po kayo ng update regarding po sa ating expert advisor. Natin mga boss, yung atin pong expert advisor running, and then as you can see here, meron tayong trade kay gold. Ayun, pumaldo uli, boss. Oh, yun oh. Pumaldo uli, 0.01, 99.54, yun. BTC USD 13, USD GPY 35, GBP USD 31. So total of 178 USD running in profit, yun mga boss. So bali noong Friday, nasabi ko na sa inyo during sa mga live natin na na-hit po SL natin, umabot na po ito ng 90 USD kasi boss, may massive news kasi noong Friday, kaya yun yung reason bakit na-hit yung SL natin. And as of today, bumawi. Ang kagandahan dito boss, ang EI natin hindi po malaki lot size, 0.01 lamang. Yan o, di ba nakita nyo boss? Yan. This is the result of our expert advisor. If you want to, contact us, pakita ko na boss yung aking contact number. So, ayan po, running trade. If you are going to contact me, this EI is for free. 0907-4786-569. That is our WhatsApp number. So magla-live tayo boss, abangan nyo yung mga live natin. This is Coach Sam once again, follow for more.